Remove the control module upward and detach the base. Remove the lid. Take out the filter, wireless pump, power cord, outlet pipe, and cleaning brush. Insert the outlet pipe into the water outlet of the wireless pump and make sure it is installed to the end. Place the pump into the corresponding groove in the water tank. Put the lid on, and press the edge of the lid to ensure it snaps in. Pull the latch outward to remove the stainless steel water tray. Put the filter into its holder. Fill the water tank with drinking water to the max line. Insert point A of the water tray under the water outlet. Pull the latch to clamp the other side of the water tray. This product has 2 power supply modes, and you can choose one based on your need. 1. Plug it in. Open the silicone plug at the bottom of the control module and insert the power cord into the power port. Insert the control module back into the base vertically. Press the button to switch water flow modes. 2. Unplug, powered by the built-in battery. Remove the control module, insert the power cord into the bottom port, and charge the control module first. The solid status indicator means fully charged. Unplug the power cord, close the silicone plug, and vertically insert the control module back into the base. Switching water flow mode is not available in battery mode. The default setting is to dispense water for 25 seconds every hour, and the duration can be customized in the app. How to bind the app? Before binding, please turn on the Bluetooth of the phone, and turn on the Bluetooth permission of the PETKIT app. Open the PETKIT app, click plus in the upper right corner of the home page, and choose PETKIT EVERSWEET Max, cordless. Then wait for the connection until the binding is successful. The device name can be customized. Please read the instructions carefully, then click Start Using. Cleaning reminders can be set as needed. View the drinking record, device status, remaining filter life, etc. on the home page. Switch the working mode of the device at the bottom of the home page. In intermittent mode, click Energy Management to set the water flow frequency. When the power is disconnected, the device will automatically work in battery mode. When setting Energy Management in battery mode, please note the battery life.